Have you ever wondered how the ham on your table is made? Let's explore the fascinating journey of ham production, where tradition meets modern technology to create this beloved food. The process begins on farms where pigs are raised with care. These animals are typically fed a balanced diet to ensure healthy growth and good meat quality. Farmers monitor the pig's health and well-being closely, providing clean living conditions and adequate space. The breed and diet of the pigs can influence the flavor and texture of the ham, so selecting the right type is an important decision. Farmers often choose breeds known for their high-quality meat, ensuring the final product is flavorful and tender. This initial stage sets the foundation for producing exceptional ham, with the well-being of the pigs being a top priority. Once the pigs have reached the appropriate size and weight, they are humanely harvested. This process is carried out with great care to ensure the welfare of the animals and the quality of the meat. The meat is then quickly chilled to preserve freshness and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. This step is crucial for maintaining the meat's quality and safety. The harvested meat is transported under controlled conditions to processing facilities where it will undergo further inspection and preparation. Efficient transportation and handling are key to ensuring that the meat remains in optimal condition, ready for the next stages of production. At the processing facility, the meat undergoes a thorough inspection. Trained inspectors check for any signs of disease or contamination, ensuring only the best quality meat moves forward in the process. This inspection is crucial for food safety, as it helps prevent any potential health risks. The meat is also graded based on its quality, with higher grades being used for premium products. This rigorous inspection process ensures that only top-quality meat is used for making ham, contributing to the final product's flavor and texture. Any meat that doesn't meet the standards is set aside and handled according to food safety regulations. After inspection, the meat is carefully cut and trimmed. Butchers focus on the best cuts, such as the leg, which are ideal for making ham. Excess fat and connective tissue are removed to ensure a lean, high-quality product. This trimming process is essential for achieving the desired texture and flavor. The meat is then cut into specific sizes and shapes, depending on the type of ham being produced. For example, bone-in hams are prepared differently than boneless varieties. This stage requires precision and skill, as the way the meat is cut and trimmed can significantly affect the final product's appearance and taste. In the dry curing process, the meat is rubbed with a mixture of salt, sugar, and spices. This mixture helps preserve the meat and enhances its flavor. The meat is then left to cure for a specified period, during which it absorbs the flavors and loses some moisture. This curing period can vary depending on the desired flavor and texture of the ham. The dry curing process not only preserves the meat but also develops its unique taste profile. This traditional method has been used for centuries and remains popular for producing certain types of ham, known for their rich, intense flavor. Wet curing, also known as brining, involves soaking the meat in a solution of water, salt, sugar, and other seasonings. This method is faster than dry curing and results in a juicier product. The meat absorbs the brine, which helps retain moisture and add flavor. The wet curing process can take several days, depending on the size of the meat and the desired level of seasoning. This method is commonly used for producing hams that are known for their moist texture and subtle flavor. After curing, the meat is thoroughly rinsed to remove any excess salt and prepare it for the next stages of processing. Smoking is an optional step that adds a distinctive smoky flavor to the ham. The cured meat is placed in a smoking chamber where it is exposed to smoke from burning wood chips. The type of wood used, such as hickory, applewood, or maple, can influence the flavor profile of the ham. The smoking process not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a characteristic color and aroma to the meat. This step can last from several hours to a few days, depending on the desired intensity of the smoke flavor. Smoking is a popular method for creating various types of ham, including country ham and smoked ham. Cooking is an essential step in ham production, ensuring that the meat is safe to eat and achieves the desired texture. The ham can be cooked by baking, boiling, or steaming, depending on the style and recipe. The cooking process also helps to set the flavors developed during curing and smoking. The temperature and duration of cooking are carefully controlled to achieve the perfect tenderness and flavor. Some hams are fully cooked, while others are partially cooked, requiring further preparation before serving. The cooking process transforms the raw cured meat into the delicious, ready-to-eat product that many enjoy. After cooking, the ham is cooled to room temperature and then aged under controlled conditions. Aging allows the flavors to develop further and the texture to become firmer. This stage can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the type of ham. Aging is particularly important for certain specialty hams, like prosciutto, which can age for over a year. During aging, the ham is monitored for moisture loss and flavor development. This process enhances the ham's taste, making it richer and more complex. Proper aging is crucial for achieving the desired quality and flavor in the final product. Throughout the production process, quality control measures are in place to ensure that the ham meets high standards of safety and quality. Each batch is tested for texture, flavor, and appearance. The ham is also checked for any signs of spoilage or contamination. Quality control inspectors use a combination of visual inspection, taste testing, and laboratory analysis to evaluate the product. This rigorous process helps ensure that only the best hams make it to the market. Quality control is essential for maintaining the brand's reputation and ensuring customer satisfaction. Any ham that doesn't meet the standards is removed from the production line. After the ham passes quality control checks, it enters the packaging phase, which is vital for maintaining its freshness and flavor. The ham is either vacuum sealed or packaged in airtight containers, ensuring it is protected from air and potential contaminants. This method of sealing helps preserve the ham's moisture and taste, extending its shelf life and preventing spoilage. Labels are carefully applied to each package, providing important details such as the type of ham, ingredients, nutritional information, and cooking instructions. These labels also feature branding and marketing elements, which are designed to appeal to consumers and communicate the product's quality. The packaging process is meticulously monitored to ensure that each ham is securely sealed and presented attractively. This attention to detail helps the product stand out on store shelves and reassures customers of its quality and safety. By combining practical packaging with strong branding, producers ensure that the ham reaches consumers in excellent condition, ready to be enjoyed. The final step in the production process is shipping the packaged ham to markets and retailers. The ham is transported under refrigerated conditions to maintain its quality and freshness. The logistics of distribution are carefully managed to ensure timely delivery. The ham is shipped to various outlets, including supermarkets, specialty stores, and online retailers. Some hams are also exported to international markets, requiring additional regulations and certifications. The distribution process is a key part of the supply chain, ensuring that the ham reaches consumers in optimal condition. This final stage completes the journey from farm to table, bringing delicious, high-quality ham to your plate. So there you have it, the journey of ham from farm to table. This process combines traditional methods with modern technology to create a beloved product enjoyed by many. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.